Hi, this is Charlie, and today we will be talking about certain dog breeds that may not be considered senior-friendly due to their high energy levels, need for extensive exercise, grooming requirements, or potential health issues. Stay tuned to the end for a recap of traits we are looking for. Border Collie, extremely high energy and intelligence, requiring significant mental and physical stimulation. They need a lot of exercise, which might be challenging for some seniors to provide. Siberian Husky, high energy and strong-willed with a need for extensive exercise in a secure area to run. They can be challenging to train and manage. Jack Russell Terrier, very energetic and often hyperactive, requiring a lot of exercise and mental stimulation. Their energy levels can be overwhelming. Dalmatians are known for their high energy and need for regular, intense exercise. They can also have health issues like deafness and urinary problems. Australian Shepherds have high energy and intelligence, which require regular, intensive physical and mental activities. They can become destructive if not properly exercised. Weimaraners are high energy and very active, needing a lot of exercise. They can suffer from separation anxiety if left alone for long periods. Chow Chow. This breed requires extensive grooming and can be, well, aloof or aggressive toward strangers. They also have a strong-willed nature, making them a bit harder to train. Akita. These dogs can be aggressive with other dogs and often have a dominant personality. They require firm training and socialization. These breeds might not be suitable for seniors who are looking for a more relaxed, low-maintenance companion. For seniors, it's often better to consider breeds known for their calm temperament, lower energy levels, and ease of care, such as Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, Shih Tzu, Pug, Bichon Frise, and Maltese. Choosing the right dog breed is essential for ensuring a good match with the senior's lifestyle and capabilities. Click on the Community tab for a survey of your favorite dog. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for new content daily.